So we're out previewing houses today for one of our clients in California, and we came across and we thought, you know what, let's roll the tape on this, because this thing is pretty immaculate. It's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 5,500 square feet on half acre in Colleyville. In a custom neighborhood. So this thing is decked out. Now we understand that it's beyond most of our budgets, right? But not everybody's, right? But what's great is you get some great design ideas. In fact, this thing isn't even 100% complete yet.
No.
We're still doing a couple things.
You're gonna see some things that haven't been finished yet, obviously.
Yeah, but an awesome house. So come on in.
First though, look up above. Look at how pretty those ceilings are. Aren't those gorgeous? I just had to show that. I thought they were so pretty.
It's very nice in this nice custom.
Very nice. You go right ahead.
So what I love about it is you have tons and tons of room. Right here with this, big huge sectional, you've got your TV right above the fireplace. You do have kind of a stacked family dining room that is very popular right now. And then you've got this great wine area that will eventually have kind of a glass front. We've seen it in a couple other videos that we've done. But you've got a nice display here. And I'm gonna let Patrice take over the kitchen.
Look at this kitchen. First of all, you gotta notice the island is a completely different color than the buffet over there. And then it's also different than the regular. So it's kind of neat. It's got a cool look to it. And then, of course, you've got this amazing range, which you could cook all day on that thing for sure. And then, you know what? I want to turn you around and take a look at that fridge and that whole space of cabinets. Obviously, I would need a very tall ladder to even use those, but I use a step stool anyways for most of the things I have to get into. But look at this. This is pretty cool too. You can put all your things that you need in there. And then over here is the Butler's Pantry and snack closet, of course. So it's got all these nice shelves in here. It's got a sink. And then right here is the actual snack closet. Pretty good size. Also, I'm gonna need a large ladder for that. And then back there, they'll put in the microwave. And then Andy can take it away.
Well, one thing I did want to point out, I'm not sure if you did or not, but you can see the cabinetry in here is kind of that charcoal gray. What I love about it though, is that you've got 3 tones in this, 3 cabinet colors in this kitchen. You've got that oak that is very popular right now. Obviously you've got the white, and then you've got that same cabinetry that you have in that Butler's Pantry carried over to the buffet, which also ties into the family room as well as the wine bar. So come on in. This is, back here is the secondary kind of a game room, flex area. Look at that powder bath. What I love about it, and you'll see this in all the bathrooms, is look at how the tile goes all the way up. Cool idea.
And then back here is the big game room. Obviously they haven't finished the flooring yet, they're gonna work on that, but they kind of did a neat little thing up on the ceiling there, and this just has a really good feel to it. It obviously has an echo because there's no furniture in it, but huge room. You could put a lot of stuff in here and have a really nice space.
One thing obviously that they were able to do, and especially at this price point that you would expect, are the black windows. One thing I will point out though, and we'll show you when we come back in the family area, that even at this price point, it's hard to get those black sliders, right? So they have black windows all throughout, but you do have a white slider, which is interesting. What about that master bedroom?
Master bedroom, we'll head on through. Okay, so like Andy was saying, obviously you see the black windows, and then the slider, they had to do white. Right now it's really hard to get black windows and especially hard to get sliders. So sometimes you gotta just go with what they've got. So back here I'm going to go into the master bathroom. Now, as you can see, it's got tons of mirrors everywhere. It's got a nice little makeup area there. Plenty of cabinet space right behind Alyssa here. And then, look at this beautiful tub. Shower area is huge. All this marble, it's just gorgeous. They've done a beautiful job with it. And then, one of my favorite parts of this house is this closet. Look at this closet. Take a real wide look over this thing. Isn't that nice and big?
That's what she said.
Plenty of drawer space and everything. It's great. It's a great closet. And now we'll have Andy take you.
So what would you do with this?
I knew he was going to do that.
What would you do with this?
I don't know. You could put your, jewelry up here. You know, they have the things you can hang your jewelry and things on. You can hook a coffee maker up. You can kind of do whatever you want.
Really?
What would you do with it?
I have no idea.
I know.
I have no idea.
So this would
Man, it almost looks like, that place for your fridge. And now it almost looks like a kitchen. I mean, that's an island for crying out loud.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the actual place where you sleep.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna let you take it all away.
Now, pretty typical master bedroom, to be honest with you. You guys have beams. You're looking at what, like 4-foot ceilings in here. Again, they have the white door, black windows, white door. They are black on the outside, but it doesn't carry all the way through. Let's go check out the office. What are you gonna work now in COVID, Patrice?
So here's the office. Huge office. Nice built-ins in there. Even though they've done the dark walls, it feels really, really big in here. You've got all this nice natural light, plenty of light and room to get some good work done.
Yeah, I can get some work done. I can code some deals in this office.
Good. Show you this cool bathroom. Obviously, it doesn't have the mirror yet, but very cool vibe to that bathroom. And then we've got another bathroom right here, which is huge. It goes to this bedroom. And this is a nice size room, guest room, office, whatever you want to use it for. You can use it for, pretty much anything. It's a great room. And then we're gonna let Andy take you on upstairs.
Now we are upstairs, 3 bedrooms, all with their own private bath, as well as this kind of open area. You can use this probably as kind of a flex area for the kids, their own kind of private family area. One thing I do want to point out, because we get this question of all sorts of price points, even when people are building, is do we carry the wood upstairs?
Yeah, that is a good question.
And as you can see, they have carpet. Makes for a much happier life.
Yeah,
for those parents.
Our in-laws actually have wood in their upstairs, and they regret putting it up there because it's very loud. When you have dogs and kids running up there, you'd be surprised how loud it is.
Yeah, so carpet upstairs, definite plus. Let's get in some of these rooms.
Okay, yeah. They're rooms. I mean, they each have their own bathroom, like you said, which is, these things are huge. Each of these bathrooms are really, really big. They all have their own unique style to them. If you want to go, you want to show them the back wall back there where the shower is. See that tile? So they all kind of have their own little theme, which is kind of nice. We've got 4 rooms. All right, so here we've got this one. And that one just has just a white kind of subway, big subway tile look to it, which is cool. Another room, just a great size room for children or guests or whatever you need. And then I'll let you take them down the other way.
Come on, let's go on the catwalk. Bathroom, closet area. And then basic oversized room, right? With nice size windows, etc. The one thing I really want to show you though is the patio in the backyard. Let's get that. I mean, I've got patio envy.
I know you do.
This thing is what, like 15, 20 feet out by 40, 50 feet?
Yeah, and
mean,
if
this
you
thing is
notice,
huge.
they have up here you can see they have the screens that come down.
Yeah.
We'll cut this off and make it basically a whole nother room to your house, which is fantastic.
Which they carried the V-board stained ceiling, which is nice. You've got your LED lights, you've got your outdoor barbecue area. This will be an area for your TV. Obviously they don't have the grill in yet. Fireplace over there with another TV.
Get out of your way, sorry.
Plenty of furniture. And then look at this backyard.
Yeah, it's huge.
Half acre, but it's even bigger. It feels bigger because one, you've got your privacy fence, board on board privacy fence all the way around. And then you've also, you don't have it wasted on the front side of it. It's all backyard, this lawn. So plenty of space to put in your pool. Everything that you could possibly want to do back here, you can do. So, I mean, just a fantastic house. If you're interested in Colleyville, definitely give us a call, text, email, however it is that you want to get a hold of us.
Yes.
Because this is a fantastic area. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.